NLN Pre-Nursing Entrance Exam Prep. Question 1. Which increase is shown from Monday 18 to Wednesday 24 in a simple practice chart in this final review item? Option A 24, Option B 3, Option C 42, Option D 6. The correct answer is option. The increase is the final value minus the starting value, 24/18 equals 6. The other choices use the final value alone, only the Monday to Tuesday change, or the sum instead of the difference. Question 2. During a quick next review of a question bank item, which word is closest in meaning to prior in a study guide note? Option A, hidden. Option B, earlier. Option C, later. Option D, silent. The correct answer is option. Prior means earlier, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Hidden means concealed, not earlier. Later means afterward, not earlier. And silent means quiet, not earlier. Question 3. After checking the choices in a workbook page item, which answer identifies the process moves water across a semi-permeable membrane? Option A, osmosis. Option B, a transcription. Option C, exocytosis. Option D, mitosis. The correct answer is option. Osmosis is the diffusion of water through a selectively permeable membrane. Transcription copies DNA information into RNA, exocytosis moves materials out of a cell, and mitosis is cell division. Question 4. If a study notes stem gives one clear clue, which choice most accurately summarizes the passage? A clinic sends appointment reminders, and missed visits decline. Option A, patients cannot benefit from reminders. Option B, appointments no longer need scheduling. Option C, reminders can help patients remember appointments. Option D, reminders caused more missed visits. The correct answer is option. The decline in missed visits supports the role of reminders. Patients cannot benefit from reminders is not supported by the passage. Appointments no longer need scheduling is not supported by the passage, and reminders caused more missed visits is not supported by the passage. Question 5. When time is limited on a revision guide question, which answer identifies the transfer of heat through direct contact? Option A, a convection. Option B, radiation. Option C, conduction. Option D, evaporation. The correct answer is option. Conduction transfers heat when particles collide through direct contact. Convection moves heat through fluid circulation, radiation transfers energy by waves, and evaporation is liquid changing to gas. Question 6. Given the information in a crash course item, which second quantity matches a 2:3 ratio when the first quantity is 8? Option A, 16. Option B, 12. Option C, 8. Option D, 20. The correct answer is option. The first part grew from 2 to 8, so the scale factor is 4. Multiplying the second part, 3 times 4, gives 12, the other values use the total, the first quantity, or an extra scale step instead. Question 7. Suppose a similar online quiz item appears on test day, which word is closest in meaning to require in a study guide note? Option A, borrow. Option B, avoid. Option C, whisper. Option D, need. The correct answer is option. Require means need, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Borrow means take temporarily, not need. Avoid means stay away from, not need. And whisper means speak softly, not need. Question 8. While working through a timed answer key set, which answer identifies the tiny air sacs exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide? Option A, alveoli. Option B, bronchi. Option C, the villi. Option D, nephrons. The correct answer is option. Alveoli provide thin, moist surfaces where gases diffuse between air and blood. Bronchi carry air toward the lungs, villi absorb nutrients in the intestine, and nephrons filter blood in kidneys. Question 9. Before choosing an answer in a sample test item, which choice most accurately summarizes the passage? A study found that students who practiced with timed sets felt more comfortable during the actual exam. Option A, timed practice can build exam familiarity. Option B, timed sets remove all content gaps. Option C, comfort never changes with practice. Option D, the exam has no time pressure. The correct answer is option. The passage connects timed practice with increased comfort. Time sets remove all content gaps, is not supported by the passage. Comfort never changes with practice, is not supported by the passage, and the exam has no time pressure, is not supported by the passage. Question 10. A student sees this test bank idea on a next review. Which critical thinking response best fits this situation? A test item asks for the best answer, and two choices are true but only one directly answers the STEM. Option A. The first familiar term should be chosen. Option B. Any true statement is always best. Option C. The choice that directly answers the STEM should be selected. Option D. The longest answer is automatically best. The correct answer is option. Entrance exam items often include true distractors that do not answer the specific question. The first familiar term should be chosen does not follow from the situation. Any true statement is always best does not follow from the situation, and the longest answer is automatically best does not follow from the situation. Question 11. One skill practice problem tests the skill, which weight in pounds is closest to 45 kilograms using 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds? Option A 20.45 pounds. Option B 99 pounds. Option C 47.2 pounds. Option D 990 pounds. The correct answer is option. Multiply kilograms by 2.2, so 45 times 2.2 equals 99 pounds. The other choices divide instead of multiply, add the conversion factor, or move the decimal one place too far. Question 12. Several choices look tempting in a learning module item. Which word is closest in meaning to sufficient in a study guide note? Option A visible. Option B inadequate. Option C enough. Option D recent. The correct answer is option. Sufficient means enough, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Visible means seen, not enough. Inadequate means not enough, and recent means new, not enough. Question 13. For this structured test nursing entrance question, which answer identifies the chemical messenger released by endocrine glands? Option A platelet. Option B hormone. Option C antibody. Option D enzyme. The correct answer is option. Hormones travel through the bloodstream and affect target tissues. Platelet helps clotting, antibody targets antigens, and enzyme speeds chemical reactions. Question 14. In a short full practice STEM, which statement gives the best main idea of this passage? A patient education sheet used short sentences, headings, and pictures. Option A headings reduce the value of information. Option B clear formatting helps readers understand health information. Option C long paragraphs are best for patient teaching. Option D pictures make written instructions unnecessary. The correct answer is option. The sheet is designed to improve readability and comprehension. Headings reduce the value of information, is not supported by the passage. Long paragraphs are best for patient teaching, is not supported by the passage, and pictures make written instructions unnecessary, is not supported by the passage. Question 15. Among the choices in a nursing entrance item, which increase is shown from Monday 16 to Wednesday 24 in a simple practice chart? Option A 8. Option B 40. Option C 24. Option D 5. The correct answer is option. The increase is the final value minus the starting value, 24/16 equals 8. The other choices use the final value alone, only the Monday to Tuesday change, or the sum instead of the difference. Question 16. Using the facts in a pre-nursing prep question, which number is 30% of 200? Option A 170. Option B 230. Option C 600. Option D 60. The correct answer is option. 30% means 30/100, so 200 times 30/100 equals 60. The other choices come from adding or subtracting the percent, moving the decimal incorrectly, or dividing in the wrong direction. Question 17. Based on the clue in a verbal practice item, which word is closest in meaning to abundant in a nursing entrance reading item? Option A plentiful. Option B silent. Option C fragile. Option D is scarce. The correct answer is option. Abundant means plentiful, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Silent relates to sound, not amount. Fragile means easily broken, not plentiful, and scarce means limited, not plentiful. Question 18. Consider this high-yield math practice concept. Which answer identifies the cell division that produces gametes? Option A, mitosis. Option B, diffusion. Option C, translation. Option D, meiosis. The correct answer is option. Meiosis reduces chromosome number and produces sperm or egg cells. Mitosis produces identical body cells, diffusion moves particles down a gradient, and translation builds proteins. Question 19. Near the end of a science practice review session, which statement gives the best main idea of this passage? A volunteer program grew after former patients shared personal stories at orientation. Option A, personal stories can motivate people to participate. Option B, a volunteer programs grow without communication. Option C, former patients stopped the program. Option D, orientation should never include stories. The correct answer is option. The passage shows participation increased after meaningful stories were shared. Volunteer programs grow without communication is not supported by the passage. Former patients stopped the program is not supported by the passage, and orientation should never include stories is not supported by the passage. Question 20. Across similar biology review nursing entrance questions, which answer identifies the group that does not receive the experimental treatment? Option A, experimental group. Option B, sample. Option C, conclusion. Option D, a control group. The correct answer is option. A control group provides a comparison for the treatment group. Experimental group receives the treatment, sample is the participants or items studied, and conclusion is the final interpretation. Question 21. Since only one choice fits the chemistry basics clue, which probability describes drawing a red card from a set with 6 red and 4 blue cards? Option A, 2/5. Option B, 3/2. Option C, 3/5. Option D, 5/3. The correct answer is option. Probability is favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes, so the result is 6/10, simplified to 3/5. The other choices use blue cards, compare red to blue only, or invert the fraction. Question 22. From the information in a critical thinking item, which word is closest in meaning to anticipate in a nursing entrance reading item? Option A, expect. Option B, erase. Option C, repair. Option D, delay. The correct answer is option. Anticipate means expect, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Erase means remove, not expect. Repair means fix, not expect. And delay means postpone, not expect. Question 23. At a testing desk during a comprehension drill review, which answer identifies the solution with pH above 7? Option A, neutral. Option B, basic. Option C, acidic. Option D, hypotonic. The correct answer is option. A pH above 7 indicates a basic or alkaline solution. Neutral describes pH 7, acidic describes pH below 7, and hypotonic describes lower solute concentration. Question 24. Inside a reading skill science or skills item, which statement gives the best main idea of this passage? A school added quiet study rooms, and students reported fewer distractions. Option A, students no longer needed to study. Option B, quiet rooms increase noise. Option C, distractions are always helpful. Option D, reducing distractions can improve study conditions. The correct answer is option. The result directly connects quiet rooms to fewer distractions. Students no longer needed to study is not supported by the passage, quiet rooms increase noise is not supported by the passage, and distractions are always helpful is not supported by the passage. Question 25. Through careful reading of a vocabulary skill stem, which critical thinking response best fits this situation? A graph rises sharply after a policy change, but no other information is given. Option A. The policy must be ignored. Option B. Graphs cannot show patterns. Option C. The graph shows a possible association but does not prove causation by itself. Option D. A rising graph proves the policy caused everything. The correct answer is option. A time pattern can suggest a relationship, but causation requires stronger evidence. The policy must be ignored, does not follow from the situation, graphs cannot show patterns, does not follow from the situation, and a rising graph proves the policy caused everything, does not follow from the situation.